Not everyone's brain solves problems the same way. Psychologists have identified distinct thinking styles, consistent patterns in how different minds process information, make decisions, and see the world. None of these are better or worse. But chances are, as I go through these, you'll recognize yourself in at least two or three. Let's go through them. First, the analytical mind. This type breaks big problems into small, logical pieces. Instead of looking at the whole picture at once, it separates things into parts, examines each one, and figures out how they connect. Analytical minds are drawn to data, structure, and step-by-step reasoning. Their strength is precision. Their blind spot? They can get so lost in the details, they sometimes miss the bigger pattern staring right at them. Second, the creative mind. Where the analytical mind breaks things down, the creative mind puts things together in ways nobody's tried before. It thrives on imagination, connects ideas that seem unrelated, and often solves problems by breaking rules rather than following them. This is often called thinking outside the box. Its strength is originality. Its challenge? Sometimes it struggles to bring an idea back down to something practical and finished. Third, the critical mind. This type doesn't accept an idea just because it sounds convincing. It questions, tests, and looks for weaknesses in an argument before accepting it. Critical thinkers are the ones asking, but how do we know that's true? Their strength is not getting fooled easily. Their downside? They can come across as skeptical or hard to please, even when they mean well. Fourth, the concrete mind. This type prefers facts you can see, touch, and directly apply, not abstract theories. It wants to know exactly how something works in real life, right now. Concrete thinkers are practical and grounded. Their edge is real-world reliability. Their blind spot is sometimes struggling with ideas that don't have an immediate, tangible use. Fifth, the abstract mind, almost the opposite of concrete thinking. This type is comfortable with theories, symbols, and ideas that don't have an immediate physical form. It can hold concepts like justice or infinity and reason about them clearly. Its strength is big picture, conceptual thinking. Its challenge is sometimes translating those big ideas into something practical enough for everyday use. Sixth, the convergent mind. Give this type of problem, and it narrows down every possibility until it lands on one clear, correct answer. It's the mind built for multiple choice tests, troubleshooting, and situations with a definite right solution. Its strength is decisiveness. Its limitation? It can struggle in situations where there isn't one single correct answer to find. Seventh, the divergent mind, the opposite of convergent. Give this type a single problem, and it generates dozens of possible solutions, exploring every direction at once. It thrives in brainstorming and open-ended thinking. Its strength is generating options nobody else considered. Its challenge is sometimes struggling to commit to just one and finish. Eighth, the reflective mind. This type doesn't rush to react. It pauses, looks back on past experiences, and deliberately considers what worked and what didn't before deciding what to do next. Its strength is learning from experience instead of repeating mistakes. Its challenge is that this pause can sometimes slow it down when quick action is actually needed. Ninth, the systems mind. This type doesn't look at one piece of a problem in isolation. It sees how everything connects, how one small change ripples through an entire system. Systems thinkers are the ones who ask, but what happens downstream if we change this? Their strength is seeing the big, interconnected picture. Their challenge is that this can take longer than a quick, simple fix. Here's the important part. You're not locked into just one of these. Most people lean on two or three of these styles depending on the situation, and every single one has real value. The goal isn't to pick a favorite and stick to it forever. It's knowing which mind you're using right now, so you can use on purpose. So, out of these 9, which one sounded like you?